Denago Powersports is making waves in the U.S. market, where we're redefining the off-road experience with premium vehicles that won't break the bank. We're driven to deliver unmatched value and quality, fueled by our passionate American team and powered by cutting-edge global manufacturing. We invited dealers and media to tour our state-of-the-art factory, built in 2018, where nearly 1 million dirt bikes and ATVs roll out annually across 1.3 million square feet. Denago's general manager, David Garibian, kicked off the visit with a quick history. From crafting mechanical hardware in 1985 to electric scooters in 2005, our parent company has grown into a manufacturing powerhouse. Inside, dealers witnessed precision in action. CNC machines carve aluminum components, computer-controlled tube benders shape flawless frames, and high-grade plastics ensure rugged, top-quality finishes. We craft wiring looms in-house, a rare hands-on process, and skilled mechanics assemble our Pro Motorworks engines with speed and expertise. Modern production lines with height-adjustable conveyors keep everything moving smoothly. Every vehicle undergoes rigorous final inspections under bright lights to guarantee quality. Our on-site R&D team collaborates with American engineers to design standout vehicles, like our four-wheel drive Freelander 550 in its final development stage, and a prototype side-by-side UTV that had dealers buzzing. Dealers left impressed by the scale, efficiency, and innovation driving Denago. As David Garibian put it, we build premium powersport vehicles without the premium price tag. And that's the Denago difference.